Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I am going to show you how to change your SoundCloud username by using your Android mobile, but other users don't worry about it because the setting location is common for all devices. So nowadays lots of people are using this SoundCloud platform because the SoundCloud serving best quality online music streaming. So lots of people are using the SoundCloud via Android application or iOS application, but this trick does not working in application mode because the setting location is not available. Then how to locate it? So let's get started. So first of all, open the SoundCloud official website using your Google Chrome web browser. And then view this website as desktop mode by simply press that Chrome browser 3-dot icon, and this icon is located at the almost top of right side corner, and then one drop down menu is opening, but in this section you can select desktop site. So just press that option. So finally here you can see now my desktop view is ready to use, and don't forget to log in your account details by using your Google ID or Facebook ID. So once your account is ready, now I try to zoom my web page. Now in this section you can press that down arrow mark and it is placed behind that profile picture, and then a drop down menu is opening, but you can go to profile and the first option, and once again zoom this web page, and also I get the edit option. So it is placed at the bottom of your car photo, and then it shows my entire account informations. So if you want to change your username or display name, just use this column, and also change your profile URL followed by your display name. But sorry friends, because due to the time consumption I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily change your SoundCloud username by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.